Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, they gave us find the value of x in each of the angles. Okay, so they gave us a 42, they gave us a 92, they gave us an x. They want us to find the value of x in each of the angles. Okay, this is the key here. Okay, because we're going to solve for x probably first, or maybe second, or whatever, but we're going to solve for x. And one of the answers on a multiple choice test is probably going to just be x, okay? But they're asking for a little more, okay? As you see, they're asking for each of the angles. They're asking for x in each of the angles, okay? So they want a couple things, okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? Always read, hey, what are they looking for, okay? So these guys are looking for more things than just x, okay? But x will be one of the answers on the multiple choice test, okay? What I put above there is the angle rules, okay? We're going to use a few of these, okay? We're going to use the opposite one right here. We're going to also use a straight line one right here, okay? And hey, maybe we'll use a 360, okay? Means everything around there is 360, okay? But these are the different things we're going to use on this one, okay? I like to put these angle rules up here because the way I look is the more times you look at them, the more times they're just going to sink in your head and say, oh yeah, I remember that, okay? So let's go on. So now, using the opposite angle rules right here, okay, the opposite angle rules, this tells me this is 92, okay, 92, okay? Now, we go to the straight line. Remember the old straight line right here, straight line, okay? That tells me that the 42, the 92, and x is going to be 180. So let's add 42, whoop, wrong, 42, not 49, okay, 42, 92, what's that equal? We got a 4, we got a 13, 132, 4. So we got 180, straight line, remember, straight line, 134, we got a 6, 7, 46. 46, so x is 46. X equals 46. So we can square this off right there. I don't have to write any more. Okay? Now, if that's 46, that tells me this is 46. Okay? On the alternate angle, the opposite angle was right here. Okay? Now, if this is 42, this is 42. Hey, I just solved the whole thing, okay? So the missing angles is going to be 92. It's going to be x equals, let's write the whole thing down, 46. Then we got 1 is going to be 92, 46, and 42. And now if this was a multiple choice test, all these answers should be in one line, okay? So I'm going to square this all off so the teacher knows, hey, this is my answer. But look how fast we solved this. Okay, just by knowing a few of these angle rules, we're able to solve this thing real fast, okay? And do you see how I kind of wrote nice and neat, okay? This is real important because at the end of this test, okay, before you have to hand it in, go back, add up these things. Does 42 and 92, does this equal 134? I'm not sure, but hey, we can double check it, okay, before we hand in this paper. We got a 4, we got a 13, it does equal that. Now 180 minus 134, does that equal 46? Okay, we can double check that. If we write nice and neat and keep everything square, we can go back and double check all this math, okay? Because it's very important because it's so easy to add things together or subtract things, and you subtract wrong, okay? So always write nice and neat so that you can go back and check these things because it's very important. Never be the first one to turn in your test or your quiz. Always be the last one. Hey, they're flipping the lights. The teacher's saying, hey, you got to get out of here. You got to go to the next class. Okay, then hand it in. Okay, test is over. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know any mathematical friends or any students in school, please share this with them. Okay, because they might get some wisdom out of this and maybe it will help them on the next test or quiz and they'll get a better grade. And that's what's the most important thing is for the students to get a better grade. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.